Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's doodle cats. Meow meow. So the first cat that I'll be doodling is the very first cat that I draw when I'm still in kindergarten. So it's very basic. Circle, triangles, whiskers, and like that for the feet, half circles for the body, and of course a tail. So that's it. That's my first cat. So for the second cat, I drew a curved line for the head and the ears, a curvy body, a tail, connect it together. Then I'll be adding the basic cat face, and then whiskers, details with the ears, and that's it. So for the third cat, we'll be doing the same for the head, ears, and then for the whiskers, we'll do a side W and a slightly pointed body, ears, the basic cat face, and we're good. For the fourth cat, it's actually the same as the second cat with the big fluffy body, but we'll just add now feet, and then the tail upwards, and of course our favorite basic cat face. And I put out a smile on this cat, and the ears of course. Now we'll draw a side view cat. So of course the head, and then I'll be doing 3 feet, a tail, let's connect them together, and of course the face of the cat, add whiskers and ears. Let's make a fluffy cat with lots of hair. So side W's as you may see, and I'll add feet of course, fluffy floppy, that's the fur, floppy tail of course, and then we're going to connect them together. So I'm going to make these cats looking at each other. Look at them, so cute. So I'm going to draw a sleeping cat. Let's use the third cat's body with the side W for the whiskers, a longer body, a tail, and let's just put a sleeping eyes for the cat and then feet, and that's it. Now I'm going to draw another version of it. Oh yeah, I added details for the ears. And then another version of the cat, now with outstretched arms and feet. And of course, let's draw the sleeping face of the cat and whiskers. Look at that, so cute. Another sleeping cat with a fat body. So as you may see, a rounder body, another cat sleeping face, and arms pointing to each other. Of course, add details and whiskers. We all know that cats have soft body like liquid. So there you go. I'm drawing a round cat, and that's the tail. Of course, whiskers and the sleeping cat face. And there you go. We have that cat. Now we're going to draw a cat lying on its belly. So there you go. I'm adding the tail, and then the cat face that we all love, the ears, the whiskers, and there you have it. We all know that cats get easily surprised or get scared. So for the last cat, I'm going to draw a spooked cat with wavy tail, and of course the face with a O for the mouth. So here's the finished product. They're so cute and so easy to draw. I bet you can draw them easily on your own as well. And of course, it's up to you if you want to color them. I asked my younger sister to color them through Photoshop. They're so cute. Then I decided to add more doodles for the kitties. So I'll be adding toys for them and pillows as well. So here are the cats playing with their toys. They look so happy. And I asked my younger sister again to color them. Now they look so much happier.
Feel uninvited.